Hello and welcome to this channel. Today I will show you how to prepare a Turkish famous food. It's called Karnıyarık. This food is prepared by aubergine and let's see how we can prepare it easily. Let's see the video. I will prepare for 3 persons, so I need 3 aubergine. We have to wash it first. After peeling the eggplants like this, let's put them in a separate place. Now we need some ingredients to prepare the eggplant filling. These are onion, garlic, pepper. Cut the onions into small pieces and put them on a plate. Then cut the pepper. Since I don't have normal green pepper at home, I use this pepper, but you can use whatever you want. Finally, cut the garlic. Put a pot on the stove, put oil in the pot, and wait for the oil to heat up. After the oil is hot enough, we add the peppers we cut into it. First, we add the peppers. After the peppers are cooked, we add the onions and mix. Then, after the onion, we can add garlic too. Now we add the minced meat and mix it well. We add 1 spoon of tomato paste, then a teaspoon of salt, black pepper, red pepper, and optional spices you like, and continue mixing. Finally, we chop a tomato and add it to the mixture. While the meat is cooking here, let's put some flour oil in another pan and wait for it to heat up enough. And when the oil gets hot, let's put the eggplant in it. Continue. I put aluminum foil on the baking tray and apply a little olive oil. I slice the eggplant in half with a knife and then expand it sufficiently with the help of a spoon. And we put the mixture into the eggplant. Ready for oven. After 10 minutes of putting it in the oven, take it out. Put the tomatoes and peppers you previously sliced and put it back in the oven. After cooking for 20 minutes, your food is ready to be served, my dear friends. Dear friends, I prepared this dish for the first time. If I could do it, you can do it easily too.